Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install and sign up on Trello, a project management software or tool you can access online through the web application, for example, to manage your team, to assign tasks, to schedule workflows in your brand or company, and to boost your company's productivity, for example. So let's get started now. In the first step, guys, all you need to do is head over to Trello.com and to click either here on sign up, on the sign up button. You can sign up free of charge and later upgrade to a paid or premium membership if you like, but it's of course not mandatory. Trello will then ask you to sign up, for example, using a Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack account, or to use a custom email address here. Bear in mind, guys, that by signing up on Trello, you automatically create an account on Atlassian. Trello and Atlassian accounts are automatically connected with each other. So simply click on that one here, register. It's in Polish for me, but that button will be in English for you or in your country's language. And there's actually not much to show or to teach you guys. Trello will ask you, for example, to go through a short account setup process in which they will ask you a couple of questions, for example, what you would like to use Trello for and how many team members you would like to invite. You can skip these questions if you like and instantaneously head over to your boards on Trello to manage your team and to assign tasks. But this I'm going to show you in other tutorials. So that's basically it. That's how you sign up on Trello. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.